If you're new to AI and everyone's telling you to start with ChatGPT, they're setting you up to fail. I've watched hundreds of beginners get overwhelmed and give up because they started with the wrong tool. Today, I'm going to show you the AI tool that's actually perfect for beginners. It's free, it's simple, and it will teach you AI fundamentals without the frustration. By the end of this video, you'll be using AI confidently while others are still struggling with complicated prompts. Here's why ChatGPT is terrible for beginners. First, it's intimidating. You stare at that blank chat box with no idea what to type. Second, it requires you to learn prompt engineering before you get good results. And third, the free version is so limited that you'll hit walls constantly. I see beginners typing things like, "Write me something good," and getting garbage results. Then they think AI is overhyped, and they give up. The problem isn't AI, it's that they started with the wrong tool. The best AI for beginners? Perplexity AI, and here's why it's perfect for getting started. First, it's designed like Google search. You ask questions in plain English, no fancy prompts needed. Second, it gives you sources for everything, so you learn to verify AI answers. Third, it's completely free with no hidden limits. But here's the game changer. Perplexity teaches you how to think about AI while you use it. Instead of just giving you answers, it shows you how it found them.
Let me show you exactly why this works so well for beginners. I'm going to ask the same question in both tools and show you the difference. I'll type in ChatGPT, "How do I start a small business?" Look at this ChatGPT response. It's generic, long, and gives no sources. As a beginner, how do you know if this is even accurate? Now, watch Perplexity with the same question. It gives me a clear, organized answer with actual sources from real websites. I can click these links to verify the information and learn more. See these numbered sources? This is teaching me that AI answers should be verified. This is building good AI habits from day one. And look at this. Perplexity suggests follow-up questions. It's guiding me to ask better questions, which is the most important AI skill you can develop. Starting with Perplexity builds 3 crucial skills. 1. Question formation. You learn to ask specific, clear questions instead of vague prompts. 2. Source verification. You develop the habit of checking where information comes from. 3. Iterative thinking. Those suggested questions teach you to build on previous answers. Once you master these basics with Perplexity, transitioning to ChatGPT, Claude, or any other AI becomes easy. You already understand the fundamentals. Here's your beginner AI action plan. Week 1. Use Perplexity for all your Google searches. Get comfortable asking questions in natural language. Week 2. Start exploring the sources. Click those links and compare the AI summary to the original content. Week 3, use those suggested follow-up questions. Learn to dig deeper into topics. Week 4, try more complex questions and start noticing what makes some questions work better than others. Start with simple questions like, "What's the weather like?" and work up to, "What are the best marketing strategies for small online businesses in 2025? Look, everyone wants to jump straight to the advanced stuff, but the people who succeed with AI are the ones who build strong fundamentals first. Perplexity gives you those fundamentals without the overwhelm. Try this for 1 week. Use Perplexity instead of Google for your questions. I guarantee you'll understand AI better than people who've been struggling with ChatGPT for months. If you want more beginner-friendly AI guides like this, subscribe and hit the bell. I'm creating a complete beginner series, and the next video covers the biggest mistakes new AI users make and how to avoid them. Comment below with the first question you're going to ask Perplexity. I'll reply to as many as I can.